Hi, I'm Jason McFadden. I'm our Principal Strategist of ISV and SaaS at Caylent. My role is to help companies build smarter, whether that be through modernization, help them operate leaner, whether that's gaining operational efficiency through looking at things like agentic AI, or helping them grow faster by building new products and services that address new markets. So one of the trends that we're seeing in 2025 is a whole bunch of companies have built internal tools or products to help them operate their business or service their customers better. And then the question gets asked once they see a lot of value is, can we sell this outside of our company? Would there be enough value for the market? They sometimes get validation from their clients. And we've seen a lot of great internal tools become really big SaaS companies like Basecamp, Slack, Figma. These are all great examples of tools that were built to solve an internal problem that then became so much more valuable in the market. The challenge for a lot of these companies is when you build an internal tool, it's just meant for within your walls. So they don't think about things like onboarding or pricing or how the customer will self-serve themselves or how they'll have value realization within the first week of using the product. So in these types of opportunities, we work with these companies to help embed some of that SaaS thinking that they need at the onset and help them really shift their mindset from service to product. So we're also seeing it with our clients as well. One example would be a professional service firm that is an expert witness preparation company that realized there was an opportunity needed to leverage agentic AI and AI in general to look at ways to augment what humans were doing to offer their clients this service in a faster, more efficient way. And so what that means is that they're able to give that information sooner, more accurate, look deeper into data much further than what humans could, and provide that person that's going to be that expert witness with the right information